With all the wind across the area, there's no wonder why we have high pollen counts across the region. And guess what? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all into that high category. Looks like all the trees are coming out across the area. So oak, maple, hackberry, and also mountain cedar coming out as well. So yep, it's just that time of year. Keep popping those allergy meds out there because it's going to last for a while as the wind will not come down as we head into Wednesday. Maybe Thursday we get a break and then Friday it's back. So let's take a look at the fire danger with all that wind. Lower humidity values on Wednesday as well behind a weak cold front. That means a extreme fire danger here across the region for most of central Texas, including Waco, Temple, Killeen, Brazos Valley in that very high category. So yes, we are going to be seeing quite a bit of the wind for tomorrow. Could be gusting over 40, humidity values plummeting under 20%. High temperatures will be slightly cooler on Wednesday into the middle 70s behind that front. Maybe not getting to 70 on Thursday. It'll be close. Then as we make our way to the weekend, highs into the 80s Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and then more 70s and 80s as we head into next week. So high clouds moving across the region right now. There is a storm system up here moving across Colorado. That's going to go way to the north of us. So for tonight, we are going to have the wind out of the south. As we make our way into Wednesday, especially by lunchtime into the afternoon, wind shift to the northwest across the region. So we'll have shifting winds over the next 24 hours or so, and they will remain gusty. And speaking of that, here's your future wind showing that as we head through 10 o'clock tonight, we still may have gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour across the area. I do think it calms down just a little bit as we head into Wednesday morning as a dry line moves across the area. So drier air already punching in from the west from I-35 to the west with those wind gusts in that 30 to 35 mile per hour range. Then we will have gusty winds as we head into the afternoon hours. I think this is underplayed on the models. I do think we're going to have gusts over 40 miles per hour from time to time with that northwest wind and drier air coming in as we make our way into Wednesday. But then look at this. Thursday, the wind calms down, generally in the 5 to 15 mile per hour range. At least we get one day with less wind. So for tonight, temperatures will be down into the 50s for us, about 57 for Waco and Temple, 59 Killeen over toward Mexia, and 60 in Bryan College Station. Then high temperatures tomorrow will be coolest to the northwest. That's where the front will reach you first. So close to 70, Meridian, Hamilton, and Goldthwaite, into the mid to upper 70s, Waco, Temple, Killeen, down toward Bryan College Station as the front works through. And looking at your forecast, temperatures into the mid-70s will fall into the upper 60s to near 70 as we make our way into Thursday. And again, Thursday's the day with no wind. 39 for Thursday morning, 43 for Friday morning. And then here we go. Southwest winds 15 to 25 as we get into Friday going into Saturday, and temperatures going back up into the 80s. There could be a couple of thunderstorm chances rolling in by Sunday evening if all holds true as of right now. Models differ on whether it's going to be a little farther to the east or scrape our eastern counties. So we'll go 30% right now. There will be instability, so I can't rule out a strong storm or two. Then we start to go back down on Monday behind that front, and then more 80s and maybe a slight chance of storms by the end of next week. And for the Brazos Valley, 77 on Wednesday, 69, close to 70 Thursday. Again, less wind there. And then your winds not quite as strong in the 10 to 20 mile per hour range with a few higher gusts Friday, Saturday, and Sunday as temperatures warm back into the 80s. And again, maybe a chance for a few thunderstorms Sunday evening.